Hey guys, welcome back now Triple T, and today I'm gonna be telling you that one step which I followed and managed to get our 4,350 karma on Reddit within 1 week and only from 5 simple posts. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So guys, the step that I followed to get to a 4,000 karma on Reddit is that I was being myself. So what I mean by that is that you should be yourself and you should do whatever your mind says to do. So while actually my Reddit career was inspired by Mr. Beast while I was watching one of his videos. I mean the latest 100,000 bounty hunter video. I got an idea on why don't I just create a meme out of what he says, and then my first ever meme was born, and that was this meme where I pin in my Quora profile. I put my Quora profile link in the description below, so you can check it out and then maybe follow me because I only have one follower, so I need to get it to another 1,000 followers maybe. So please follow me on Reddit, Quora, and also subscribe to the channel. So guys, then my first ever meme got over 2.2k karma, which I posted in the Mr. Beast subreddit, and it was Mr. Beast, not my mansion. I rented it. I don't have a mansion now because I spent tens of millions of dollars filming these videos. Actually, guys, as I researched on Google, this is not a meme, not a meme, but a meme template where I just give one thing and then the other one can copy and they copy the meme and then write whatever they want in the below. It's called as a template meme, so I created my first template meme, and that came up with 2.2 upwards until today. I mean, it was just 1 week. Within 1 week I got 2.2k upwards. Actually within one day, one night, that means 8 hours. Within 8 hours I got 2.2k karma. And then now this is the Mr. Beast subreddit. I'll put that link in the description below so you can check it out, maybe join the team. I have already joined it. So then after that, this inspired me. The upvotes that I got in this what do you mean, the meme, that inspired me to make another meme that is on the same video but a different meme, and that's not a meme template, that's a complete meme. And that was how much money does Mr. Beast have, and that got 1.6k upvotes. So from both of those posts I almost got 2,500 karma, means that means, which means that's a lot. I mean within 2 days I got 2.5 karma, 2.5k karma, and then that has 40 up comments, and then 1.6k upvotes, and 1,600 upvotes, and then again that inspired me to create another meme, and that's not exactly meme but one of my drawings, and I'm so good at drawing, so I thought why should I just create memes while I can draw really good. So then I drew the Mr. Beast logo. I will put that in the link in the description below, the reference picture, and that's very cool. And then it got 1k upwards and then 33 comments. So 1k upwards means like 750 karma, and then that start led up to 3,250. Yeah, 3,250 karma, and now it's left for like 900 karma. So for the 900 karma I earned from the next meme that I created 7 days ago, a week ago. So the thing is that, guys, after posting, I mean it was last month, no, it was last 2 weeks where I posted, where I got for the first 1k karma, and then I waited a week. I was patient enough so that I thought while I was not on offline already, maybe I'll get some more awards. So then I got some but not enough, so I thought of creating another meme. So then after I created this meme which also got 1k upwards in the same Mr. Beast subreddit, and that was, Mr. Beast, we need some more money for our latest video, bank is going bankrupt. So that's a classic meme, I guess, and that got 12 comments. That's not a good amount of comments, but somehow it got 1k upwards. So from that I earned up to 500 karma, so that totals up to 4,004k karma, and then for the 400 left. So those 400 I earned from the next meme that I posted. Actually guys, not a meme, a drawing of KSI, because I thought of why don't I just try another meme that has over 2 million members. This subreddit, the Mississippi subreddit only has 181,300 members, but the KSI subreddit has over 2 million members, so why don't I just try? And then as I'm good at drawing, I drew KSI again. It took me over 5 hours, and then I drew it 2 days ago and then posted it, and then it got 400 ready upvotes. So that totals up to maybe 350, so 4,350, and then 100 left. So those 100 I had it before, as you can remember the previous Reddit video, I had over 135 karma, so that totals up to 4,400 karma. So yeah, it's how I got. And then from this drawing, this single drawing with 400 upvotes, I got a golden award, and that gives me 100 Reddit coins and a week of long access and free browsing. So that means that I become a premium member on Reddit. So to find out what happens when you become premium member, watch my next video. And then as I go to my profile, I'm going to show you guys all the awards I have earned. So I have earned if I go and click right here, you can see how much awards I've got. So I think it doesn't show, but somehow I'm gonna go back. It may take a while because okay, it came. So I have the golden award and also 17 plus views, right? The helpful reward, the silver reward, those kind of stuff. And then if you are a premium member, you glow up. And then again, watch my next video to learn about how to style your avatar on Reddit, and then some cool features when you unlock the premium member. And I have to do those videos quickly because it's only the premium member thing is only for 1 week, so I have to do it within this week. Like I have to do like 10 videos maybe, so I have to do it in this week. So I won't be able to upload videos every single day next week, maybe 2 videos. So don't worry guys, I will upload, and then I'm gonna upload the videos when I quit. When I get quitted after from the premium thing. But somehow I'm a premium member on Reddit now. So, and this is a story how I got over 4.4k karma on Reddit. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video, and if you wanna find some more videos like this, comment down below, and then like this video if you like this. So see you in the next video.
Little bitch, she steady dripping Sailor on. She got the perfect face, thumbing through the deck of 52, and she the highest rank. She don't answer questions, she mysterious like that.